Now we are going to do the next subdivision, find the weight in kilogram. First we have done the same subdivision, but only they find the weight in what? Here is kilogram, find the weight in gram. That means we are convert first to second. That means first subdivision they have given kilogram, we have to convert kilogram as well as gram. The second subdivision they find the weight in gram. That means kilogram converted into gram. Now the third subdivision is find the weight in what is this? Kilogram. Okay, find the weight in first subdivision, they are given only the kilogram, and after that we have to convert kilogram as well as gram. Second subdivision, find the weight in gram. That means kilogram is given, we have to convert as a gram. Now find the weight in kilogram. That means given the question in the gram, you have to convert into what? Kilogram. Now we are going to do the third subdivision. So find the weight in kilogram. That means the question in the gram. So what you're going to do, kilogram, that means 125 gram, you have to convert it into kilogram. I've already told you 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. This is the formula. So you never forget this formula. So here 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. I just rechanged the formula, that's it. Nothing else. That means you have to, this is the original 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, or 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. According to the question, you can change the formula according to the question. That means kilogram to gram means you have to multiply by what? 1000. Kilogram to gram, that means you have to multiply by 1000. But gram to kilogram, that means gram to kilogram, that means you have to divide by what? 1000. See, kilogram is always what? A bigger unit. Gram is a smaller unit. So bigger unit to smaller unit you have to multiply, but smaller unit to bigger unit you have to divide. That is the basic rule. I've already taught you in the length. Okay, so kilogram is a what unit? Bigger unit, and gram is a what? Smaller unit. So that I multiply by 1000. Gram and kilogram. Gram is a smaller unit and this is a bigger unit. That's what I divide by 1000. That's the rule, so don't forget the rule. So once or twice you go through the videos and also practice the sum. Then you can practice more sum, then you can confidence enough in the chapter. Now 125 gram is equal to kilogram. So 125 gram. So that means you have to convert into kilogram. So 125 divide by 1000. Okay, divide by 1000. So look at this, how many zeros? 3 zeros in 1000. So you have to 5, 2, 1. So you have to move 3 decimal place. Move 3 decimal place to the left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 point. Then you have to add this 0 represent what? The 0 represent what? Decimal. So that is what? This is 0.25 kilogram. The answer is 0.125 gram. So 0 represent decimal. After this point is a decimal point. After the number, what are the number you have written? You have to read 0.125 gram. That's it. Sorry, 125 kilogram. Sorry. So 125 gram converted into kilogram. So gram is converted into kilogram. That means you have to divide by 1000. So I've just 125 divided by 1000. I've told you in the 1000 you have 3 zeros. That is what you have to move 3 decimal place to the left direction. So 0.125 kilogram. That's it. And after this, next sum. First sum is over. Second sum. That means 900 gram. Look at this. Again you have to convert into kilogram. So the answer is 0.125. So here 900 divided by 1000. I told you that's 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 900 divided by 1000. So what you're going to do? How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. So 0, again 0, then 9, then put a point, then you have to add 0. This 0 represents only the decimal. So after the point, how many zeros? After the point, how many zeros you added? There is no value. So just cancel that. So 0.9 what? Kilogram. The answer is 0.9 kilogram. That's all. Then after that, what you're going to do? 1120 gram. That is third sum. 1120 gram convert into kilogram. So what I am going to do, 1120 divided by 1000. Why should I divide it by 1000? Why should I divide by 1000? Because I've told you 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. That is what. So in 1000, how many zeros? 3 zeros. So you have to move 3 decimal place to the left. Okay. So 0, 2, 1. The 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal place to the left. Then after that you must put a point here. Then you have to write 1. I just want to show it off you. So you have to write kilogram. Okay, that means 1 kilogram and 0.120 is gram. That is what you write. You convert into kilogram. Actually it is 1 kilogram, 0.120 gram. But while you say 1.120 kilogram. See, after the point, I've told you a 0 is not necessary. If you want to cancel, you can cancel it. Otherwise, if you want to write, you can write it. No issues. So the answer is 1.120 kilogram, or else 1.120 cancel kilogram. That is also you can write. So in that place 1.12 kilogram. 1.120 kilogram. This is the right answer for the question.